here at the ALoft Hotel in Syracuse. We're here with the, my mom has the SVG points. As you come in, this is the waterfall. Here's the front desk. Over here is their breakfast menu. And we don't get a microwave in the room, but there is a microwave here in the lobby. As you can see, they have more snacks, juice. They offer various newspapers. The coffee is free until 11. Later on I will show you upstairs, but this is just the lobby area when you come in. This is the lounge. This is the bar. As you can see, you have several TVs. We have a fireplace that goes both ways. And you have another TV in the lounge. As you can see in the corner here, there's a pool table. There's more eating areas here. And another little lounge area. So this is the computer area. This is my first time in the hotel. Passing the bar and the lounge. Going outside, there's another lovely seating area out here. The weather today is pretty decent. There's a little bit of humidity, not a lot. This hotel is actually right on Inner Harbor. As you can see, this is the beginning of Inner Harbor in Syracuse, New York. I'm gonna walk over here to the pool area. It's an indoor pool that they have. Let me just also show you again quick all the way around. In the distance you have one of the largest malls in America. It's the 5th largest mall in America, and it's the biggest shopping mall in New York. We stopped there first and we got lost. This hotel actually comes with a complimentary shuttle service that picks you up at the airport, and they will drop you off anywhere within 3 miles of the hotel. So let's check out, see if the other doors work. Okay. And this is the pool area. It's pretty warm in here. They give you towels. And that's the little shower area. Not sure what's behind here. Oh, this leads you back into the lobby on the other side. Let's see what's down here. Okay, down here is the gym. I don't have my key yet. So I can't go inside for a closer look. Okay, this is the bathrooms. Alright. I'm gonna sign off for now until we go into our room. Thank you. Okay, so we are inside of our room. I did not leave it outside, and I'm doing the video right now. Thank you for messing up it. Anyway, so we are inside of the room. They give you a refrigerator here. This is the sink. This is the safe. This is the closet. And the ironing board. Shower and bathtub. Oh wow, they don't give you a bath. I mean a shower and toilet. They don't give you a bathtub. Okay, this is the air control. This is the desk. The phone, a little place to sit. Our 2 beds. And let me just give you a view out the window. So we are looking at a portion of the harbor. And also we're looking at the mall. See the other window. Yeah, there's a few stores in the distance and that's it. Alright. Oh, and I forgot the most important thing, the flat screen TV. Alright, so that's a wrap.